Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Guys, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to it. I will be posting content that will be very useful for various competitive examinations. This video is all about some of the important general science questions. So without any delay, let's get started. First question, chromosomes are made up of option A DNA, option B protein, option C DNA and protein, and option D RNA. And the correct answer is option C DNA and protein. DNA is packed in the form of chromosomes. The double helix structure of a DNA gets wrapped around the proteins called histones, which further wrap around themselves and then they form chromosomes. So, chromosomes are made up of DNA and proteins called histones. Next question. Dog bite can cause rabies. Which among the following animals can also cause rabies? Options A donkey, B rat, C horse, and D crocodile. Guys, the correct answer is option B bat. Rabies is a deadly virus spread to people from the saliva of infected animals. The rabies virus is usually a bite. Though the street dogs are most likely to spread rabies, rabies can also be transmitted from bats. Next question. A chemical substance secreted by particular species of animal to attract another member of same species is options A hormone, B nucleic acid, C pheromones, and D steroid. And the correct answer is option C pheromones. Pheromones are excreted or secreted chemical that trigger social response is members of the same species. Next question. Which of the following gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Options A pituitary, B pineal, C thymus, D pancreas. And the correct answer is option D pancreas. Insulin is secreted from pancreas, and the question may also be asked like insulin is hormone or gland, something like that. Okay, so insulin is a hormone and it regulates the blood sugar levels. Next question. Which microorganism causes hepatitis B? Options A virus, B protozoa, C bacteria, and D fungi. And the correct answer is option A virus. Hepatitis B is caused by hepatitis B virus. Next question. The satellite of which country provided the complete information about Antarctic region? Options A Canada, B France, C Russia, and D America. And the correct answer is option C Russia. Antarctica is one of the continents and NASA uses satellites to study it. So the scientists want to know what changes in Earth's climate are doing to Antarctica's ice sheets. Next question. Biochemical oxygen demand BOD in a river water. Options A increases when sewage gets mixed with river water. Option B has no relationship with concentration of oxygen in the water. Option C gives a measure of salmonella in the water. And option D remains unchanged when algal bloom occurs. And the correct answer is option A, means biochemical oxygen demand in a river water increases when sewage gets mixed with river water. Biochemical oxygen demand. It is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by aerobic organism to break down organic material present in the water. That means BOD has relation with the amount of oxygen present in the water. So option B is incorrect. It has no relation with salmonella. So option C is also incorrect. Algal bloom is nothing but rapid growth of algae. When that algae bloom occurs, they also need oxygen. So the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by organisms also increases. So option D is also incorrect. Correct answer is option A. That means when sewage gets added, the bacteria in the sewage also needs oxygen. So the amount of oxygen that is needed by the organisms increases. So BOD increases. Next question. The functional unit of lung is option A neuron, option B alveolus, option C bronchus, and option D nephron. And the correct answer is option B alveolus. The functional unit of lung is alveolus. On an average, the pair of human lungs contains about 700 million alveoli. And the other options like neurons are the functional unit of nervous system. Nephron is the functional unit of kidneys. Bronchus is just the airway to lungs. Next question. Color blindness is related with a defect in option A rod cells, option B cone cells, option C eye muscles, and option D all of these. And the right answer is option B cone cells. Color blindness is related to cone cells and they cannot distinguish red and green colors. Next question. Who is the father of genetics? Options A. Darwin, B. Mendel, C. Bridge, and D. Weismann. And the right answer is option B. Mendel. Mendel is the father of genetics of modern genetics because of his contribution to the field of genetics. And one more question which can be asked here is using what he has experimented. And the answer is garden pea. Next question. The ions necessary for blood coagulation are options Mg++, option B Ca++, option C K+, and option D Na+. And the correct answer is option B Ca++. Calcium ions play an important part in the blood clotting. The increased calcium concentration helps in the activation of proteins in platelets, which is essential for the clotting of blood. Moving to next question. A condition characterized by an increase in the number of erythrocytes in the circulation is options A leukemia, B polycythemia, option C anemia, and option D polydipsia. And the correct answer is option B polycythemia, also called as erythrocytosis. It is a condition in which the red blood cells will be more in number than it should actually contain. Next question. What is the purest form of iron? A. Steel, B. Cast iron, C. Wrought iron, and D. Pig iron. And the correct answer is option C. Wrought iron. Wrought iron is the purest form of iron. Iron is obtained by wrought iron through smelting process. Next question. What is the study of fungi? Options A. Mycology, B. Phycology, C. Palynology, and D. Microbiology. And the correct answer is option A. Mycology. Study of fungi is mycology. And the other options, phycology is the study of algae, palynology is the study of pollen grains, and microbiology deals with the study of microorganisms. And the last question for this video, where is the pituitary gland found? Options A in brain, B liver, C stomach, and D intestine. And the correct answer for this question is option A in brain. The pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain. That's it for this video guys. For more interesting videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali.